Hey everyone, welcome to new MVP Auto, our in-depth look at the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor, a truck that continues to push boundaries in off-road performance and everyday usability. The Raptor has always been a benchmark in its class, and the 2025 model solidifies its position with cutting-edge technology, bold design, and unmatched power. The heart of the 2025 Raptor is its 3.5-liter bust V6 engine, delivering an impressive 450 horsepower and 500-ton lb-ft of torque. Paired with a ton-spud automatic transmission, the powertrain provides smooth, responsive acceleration both on and off the pavement. For those craving even more performance, the Raptor R option ups the ante with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, unleashing a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower. Both versions feature advanced off-road systems, including Ford's trail control, terrain management, and the innovative Fox Live valve shocks for maximum adaptability to rough terrain. The exterior design screams capability with its wide stance, aggressive grille, and signature Raptor badging. Functional elements like a Huss-strung steel frame, skid plates, and 7-inch all-terrain tires ensure this truck can tackle the toughest trails. The 2025 model also introduces new exterior color options and LED lighting upgrades for enhanced visibility and style. Inside, the Raptor balances ruggedness with premium comfort. The cabin features durable yet upscale materials, with replica seats available for those who want extra support during intense drives. Technology is front and center, with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a large 15.5-inch infotainment touchscreen running Ford's latest SyncFus system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and UFX updates keep the tech modern and convenient. Safety is a priority, with the Ford Copilot 360 suite offering advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These tools not only enhance safety, but also make navigating tight trails and parking lots easier. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor is a masterclass in blending performance, utility, and technology. Whether you're conquering dunes, towing heavy loads, or cruising on the highway, the Raptor delivers in every scenario. With its combination of raw power and advanced features, it's no surprise this truck remains a top choice for enthusiasts and adventurers alike.